Heckler & Koch debuted the G36 back in 1997, and it was a huge hit. In fact, it didn't take long for it to be adopted by countries around the world, including NATO and UN forces. However, it really gained international attention for its significant use in the Yugoslavian and Middle Eastern conflicts. Heckler & Koch initially called their new rifle the HK-50, but would go on to adopt the Gewehr G36 designation for international use. The hype for the rifle was so big that a few countries had already obtained licenses for local manufacturing within a year of its release. Germans attempted to push their G11 and G41 rifles forward. Once the G36 beat the Steyr-Augen private trials, HK decided it was time to make the G36 their flagship rifle.